A while ago I made a video about how I was traveling to a potential client and how much more confident I felt because of the work I've been doing with Hugo about for the last half year. And I can now say also that I got that client. So it worked, all the hard work paid off. But now it's still time to move on. It's just one milestone and there's more to come. That's why I went here to Portugal, to where Hugo lives, to discuss how we can move forward this year. We're making up a plan about which goals we have for the different quarters. We're having a workshop format where we brainstorm and collect our ideas of goals or plans or vision. We align on all that, form the goals, and this is forward and great things to come. And stay tuned for more videos of that.